Oh man, I've got too much to do today. So, what's up guys? It's me, Isaac, as always. And today, we're working on a few cars. So, great news, the Saleen, now that we replaced the battery, has decided to start working correctly. I don't know what's going on, but we're going to go ahead and do an oil change on it today because I drove it around some last night and it did great and it cooled like it was supposed to and we didn't lose any coolant. I kind of don't know what's going on, but we're going to see what's going on with it, and we're going to give it some love and go drive it around today, so really excited to do that. And then, of course, back here we can also see my wife's lovely Honda Civic, and it is time for it to have its 3,000-mile oil change again. So we're going to go ahead and record both of these oil changes, and then we're going to take the Saleen out for a spin finally. It's about time this thing finally get truly driven, so I'm really excited to get some footage of that as well. So again, this is Isaac from IK Auto, and today we're going to do some more maintenance. Alright, now that I'm prepared because I have my mic, as always, we got to do the responsible thing first. We got to take care of our friends and family, so I'm going to go ahead and start on the wife's Civic. Very similar to the Accord video, same oil filter size as well, same oil. Exact same process. So we're going to do this one real quick. We're going to probably just time-lapse this and speed right through it. Show you how to reset it on the dash as well. And then we're going to call it a day for the Civic. I'm going to try and do a thing, and this is going to work out good or bad. And of course, again, today, we're going to be using the Mobile One branded product. It has not ever failed me, so that's why I keep using it. I am a brand loyalist. Hate me for it. So let's get this started. Let's get this old one drained out. Y'all know the drill. We'll go ahead and skip right on through it. And here we go. As always, let's go ahead and prime up our new filter some. Go ahead and pour all that in. Okay, go ahead. Alrighty, and let's pour it all in. Almost 4.5. We'll put just a little bit. That will do it. All right. Let's check our levels. And let's see what we got. We should be topped off perfectly full. And oh, we could actually use a little bit more, but we're on an incline. The oil I got on it last time. Alrighty. Let's go ahead, get in it, replace the, reset the timer on it, make sure we ain't got no leaks. Alright, let me get everything in here, zoom back out. We're going to go ahead and turn this car right on. Let it prime up. There we go. Oil light went away. Everything's perfect. And let's go check. Sounds, get my finger out the way. Sounds amazing. Look up under. We don't see nothing. Looking good. All right. So if it'll stop playing the stupid audiobook. There we go. So we are going to reset the oil filter life on this car here now. So we're going to cycle through to the oil 60. Oh no, it's 60, not 70. We're going to hold that down again. This is the button on the right here. We're going to hold it down until it starts flashing. There we go. Let go. Hold it down again. And there we are. Oil life 100 again, and we'll cycle back through. Also very cool because this car just hit 100,000. I'm going to link hopefully a cool little clip in here of me and my wife as it happened. Other than that, we're going to go ahead and move on over to the Saleen now. We are done with the Civic. All right. Well, it's time. Let's go ahead and get this thing jacked up and get an oil change on it done. Let's open it up. Let's check the coolant from yesterday's trip. Because if we are full, God, we're so full. We are in business. Car seems to want to work now that the battery negative isn't plugged in for 24 hours. These cars, man, they got all sorts of cool little fun things that love to fuck with you. So let's get into it. Let's go ahead and pop our cap real quick. 520, we run 530. Pop that so it comes out a little bit easier. We're gonna go over here to our handy schmandy little dipstick. And let's see what we've been sitting at. Because I'll be honest, it's been a while since I've done maintenance on this car like I really should have. No, I know this oil's been sitting in here for a while. So that's why we're changing it regardless. But I honestly can't remember how far along I was. And I love these 4.6 dipsticks though. Only dipstick I've ever seen where it's supposed to be twisty as can be. And you know what? It looks like we've got max oil. We got plenty of oil in there. And it looks to be a good color. But we're going to go ahead, change it all out anyways. And as we get into it again today, of course, we're going to be using all Mobil 1 products. We're going to be using 5W30. It does originally call for 5W20, but I like to run it a little bit thicker because I like to abuse this car just a little bit. That's kind of its intent, and it's not exactly new. So we want to make sure that it is protected. So I run a slightly thicker oil in it. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get all this dropped in. Even though the filter is placed in an awful position, to be frank, we're still going to try to prime this just a little bit to make life easier. So we'll take this core and we're going to only fill it up about halfway this time. We're just going to go doot, 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 doot. About like that. And take a little bit of that oil on my finger. Give it a good coat and seal. And there she is, coated real good. A little bit more oil just to be safe. Just to make sure we're lubed up right. We're good. All right, let's put it on. Alrighty, and final verdict on the oil. I don't see any coolant. I don't see any green in that. And it's not forbidden chocolate milk, it's used. But we looking good. Let's put some fresh oil in her, top her back off now that we got everything sealed down there, and see how much she comes back to life. Alrighty, now we're going to pick right up where we left off, of course, because this car needs 6 full quarts. We put just a little bit in the oil filter, of course, to prime it up some for that first start. And of course, we're going to turn the key to the on and off position probably 3 or 4 times before we officially start it up to try to prime all that up. But let's get to putting oil in. There's part of it. And we we definitely didn't take 6 quarts out of it, though. She was a little low, I think. I think we got lied to on our dipstick. But we'll find out. That's for dang sure. So I know it was getting hot. All that no coolant in it. Alright. I don't think I have a good angle to show this without me spilling it. So I'm going to do this right here where I know I can get it. Alrighty. 6 quarts. In she goes. Let's prime it. Start it. Make sure everything's Gucci. Go ahead and seal that back. Alrighty. Let's give it a shot. Make sure we got nothing under it leaking as always. Alright. One, 2, 3. All right, let's start it. Started right up. And this is one of the coolest parts about, of course, living in a small town, is having beautiful hidden gems. So today I've been, as you have kind of watched, I've already been to the gym. I've already run other errands, getting ready for more stuff that I'm going to record tomorrow, doing some more car stuff for a friend of my wife's. Well, I guess a family friend of ours. It'd be rude of me to say just her friend. So we're going to go take care of her car tomorrow, and I'm going to do some work on it. And so today I've been to myself. All I had was breakfast, wanted to take some time off, so I made sure to swing by here as we're driving the Saleen around to this lovely gas station here. This is called, let me see if I can't flip. This is the Dewdrop Inn. I love the Dewdrop. They have this lovely little seating area. Best Indian have, hands down. It's incredible. I didn't order the Indian food because I'm a terrible person. Why would I do that? Instead, I got the double cheeseburger because I'm a filthy, fat American. And they also make like the best burger in town. It's incredible. As I was driving around, I was just itching for it. So it's just really cool to be able to come out, give me a nice little Mountain Dew, treat myself some Baja Blast. Got the car sitting right in front of me, chilling. Nice little view as some cars drive by through the highway, and yeah. Small town, love it. The Saleen is working right. It's working great. We're going to continue to monitor it, see what's going on. Seems I was a oofy goofy when I first diagnosed that car, and we're just going to go from there. We're going to go fresh on it. But the more important thing and the cooler thing I need to talk about is I'm taking you guys, you in the camera, I'm taking you guys with me to go sign my business agreement tomorrow for my commercial property. So I got a property. We've been in contract negotiations back and forth. We finally figured out something that was really happy for everyone. So I'm going over there tomorrow morning to sign that lease. And we're going to start working on the new property and getting that ready because it's a little bit of a fixer-upper. It needs a little bit of love. So we're going to go ahead and also do some advertising today. So I'm currently washing the Saleen, and we're going to go to a little car show later today, maybe get some footage of it and talk about it a little bit and do a little bit of pre-advertising as we now officially have a location, which means I can apply to the Motor Vehicle Dealer Board. One step closer, one step closer.
I can get ignorant.